Today we're going to be looking at the standard paddleboard by HOEX. With the paddleboard it comes with the pump here with the pressure gauge on top. And I believe the ends are, you can use them on all different parts of the paddleboard, but don't hold me to that. So let's open up the bag and we can have a look inside, see what we have. With the paddleboard it comes with a leash, which is handy to have. The fin with a locking pin, a repair kit. It's quite nice. It's got some bits and pieces in there. I'm not sure if it's watertight, however you could put small belongings, coins, keys. Paddle itself, it's quite a nice finish on that, and it has an extendable handle, which is cool. Locking pin there in the middle with a nice blue spade at the bottom, which is cool. And again, here's the pump. Also, pretty awesome, has the pressure gauge on top, which is cool to have. So again here, I forgot about this bit when I first pumped it up. You actually need to twist it and it pops up. If you don't do that, the air will just shoot back out. So yeah, don't do that. And again here, you just twist it and it connects. So as you can see, it's fun for all the family, and my little one thought he'd have a little go at pumping up the board. So the first time I did this, all the air shot out because the pin was down. Just make sure that's up, and just replace the locking pin there.
Me?
How good is it? Is it comfy? Awesome. Do you want to stand up on it? What's it feel like? Got a nice grip handle in the middle. It's pretty good quality. My lovely assistant's going to help me pop the fin on, which just pushes in, and then the locking pin will secure it in place. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe for more awesome videos.